Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class, we discussed chapter 3D geometry, three-dimensional geometry. In that, we discussed starting we discussed the direction cosines and direction ratios. Next, after first exercise, we discussed about the line equation in space. So, two different types of line equations we discussed. A line equation passing through the point and parallel to the given vector. Another one, a line equation passing through given 2 points we discussed. After that, the angle between the two lines also we discussed. Based upon that one exercise 11.2, total based upon line equations and direction cosines only. Next, now today class will start the plane equation in a space. So here different types is there, again same similar line equations 2 types is there. Here plane equation 3 types is there. So that we start by today class. See here plane. A plane equation we have to find here. So plane equation, the normal to the plane and its distance from origin given. This is the first theorem. Normal to the plane. Normal to the plane means perpendicular line from origin to plane. One plane from origin to plane, one perpendicular line W and the distance from origin. The plane distance from origin also tell you. That time you have to find the plane equation. This is the first theorem. And this one will be named as a equation of a plane in normal form. Equation of a plane in normal form. Normal form of equation. In exam also they ask derive the equation of plane in normal form. That means they will give normal plane and the distance from origin to plane also they will. That time you have to find. This is also one important 5 marks question. Next, it passes through a point and perpendicular to given direction. In lines we discussed, passing through the point parallel to the given direction, parallel to the given vector. But here, passing through plane, passing through a point, one point W and perpendicular to the given direction. That means perpendicular to the one vector. Passing to the point perpendicular to the vector. This is the one another plane equation. This is also important 5 marks question. Next, it passes through 3 given non-collinear points. It passes through given non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear. Non-collinear means what here? The 3 points not lies in the same line, different places. It will be lies. Passing through given non-collinear points. This is just a formula we discuss, and based upon this one problems we discuss. No need to derive this formula. Because this is not important 5 marks question. These two are important 5 marks questions. Derivations also. We have to solve theorems. Line equations 2 and plane equations 2. In this 4, compulsory you get one 5 marks question in the final exam. So now today class will start the first theorem. After that some problems will discuss. In next class remaining will continue. Now we derive the equation of a plane in normal form that having 2 types, that is vector form and Cartesian form. Previous line equations also we discussed 2 ways, vector form and Cartesian form. Now also we have to find the vector form of the plane equation in normal form and Cartesian equation of a plane equation in normal form. This is a 5 marks important question. In this diagram is very important. One right-handed rectangular system we have to take x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Starting answers we are telling this x-axis actually this is outside of the board. We can't draw here, so that's why just imagine purpose to make this x-axis. This is actually like this. This is the perpendicular for x, y and z. This is the origin. Now I am taking one plane equation, plane in a space. This is the one plane. This plane also not lies on board. This is outside of the board. For example, you can take that. This is the plane equation. This is x-axis, but then you have to take this one plane. So imagine this plane is outside. Plane is outside. Next, if from origin O to plane, one perpendicular and prime, that is only normal. ON is the perpendicular normal to the plane. How to imagine this one means? This is a plane. This is a plane. From origin to plane, one perpendicular. Origin to plane, one perpendicular is we are taking perpendicular line to the origin. So this one is a normal. Normal we are taking. ON bar is the normal to the plane. ON bar is normal to plane from origin. ON bar is the normal to the plane, and the length, distance from origin to plane, distance from origin to plane is, is d. So length of the ON is d, and n cap is the unit vector along ON bar. N cap is the unit vector of normal. ON bar is nothing but normal. N cap is the unit vector of normal. Therefore, ON bar is equal to how much? Unit vector into the magnitude of the vector. What is the magnitude? ON. ON length is d the given. So ON bar equal to d into n cap. We discussed in vector algebra also. 7 units you have to get means unit vector into 7 will be. Here unit vector into units, d units. So d into n cap we have to write. Next, P be a any point. P be a any point, arbitrary point in a plane. In plane we are taking one point P with the position vector. With the position vector r bar. Let P be a point, be any point on plane with position vector r bar, that is OP bar is equal to r bar. OP bar is equal to r bar. If you join n and p, see here ON is perpendicular to plane. ON is perpendicular to plane, and P is lies on plane. P is lies on plane. That means ON is perpendicular to NP. ON is perpendicular to NP. ON is perpendicular to NP. P lies in plane. If I totally if ON bar is perpendicular to NP bar, then only it is possible. P is lies in a plane that is nothing but ON bar is perpendicular to NP bar. That implies what we can write? ON bar dot NP bar is equal to 0. Perpendicular condition what? Dot product compulsory equal to 0. Dot product of two vectors is 0. Now NP bar. What is the NP bar here? We have to find the NP bar. From triangle of vector addition, ON bar plus NP bar equal to OP bar. ON bar plus, can write it. ON bar plus NP bar equal to OP bar. I need NP bar. NP bar equal to what we can write it? OP bar minus ON bar. Since from triangle of vector addition. Otherwise, if you don't know the triangle of vector addition, simple way is the one more. Terminal point position vector minus initial point position vector. That we can write. What is the OP bar? OP bar is R bar minus ON bar. What is the ON bar? D into N cap. So this is the NP bar. This one I am taking as the equation 1. 1 implies ON bar. ON bar is nothing but D into N cap. R bar minus dn cap equal to 0. Just here substitution ON bar and NP bar substitution made. This d is a constant, stand right side, it will become 0. Now multiply inside. R bar dot N cap minus D into N cap into N cap equal to 0. R bar dot N cap minus D into 1 is equal to 0. 1 why we are writing? I cap into I cap equal to 1. J cap dot J cap. Same product, dot product if they are making 1 element. So now R bar dot N cap is equal to D, which is vector form of plane in normal form. R bar dot N cap is equal to D is the vector form of a plane equation in normal form. Here R bar is the position vector of any point P. N cap is the unit vector, normal unit vector. Here N cap you can write as a normal unit vector. D is the distance from origin to plane. Distance from origin to plane. N cap is the normal unit vector. Unit vector compulsory how to remember this is they will give normal vector. You have to find a unit normal vector, then you have to simplify if problems asking. So next step, this is the vector form. Next Cartesian form purpose. Cartesian form. So Cartesian form purpose. P be a point x comma y comma z. Therefore, OP bar equal to R bar equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Let L comma M comma N are direction cosines DCs. Direction cosines of normal to the plane. L comma M comma N are normal DCs, direction cosines of normal to the plane. Then N cap is equal to Li cap, Mj cap, Nk cap is the unit normal vector. Unit normal vector. Next step. This one write as equation 2 implies substitute r bar and n cap. X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. Dot product with L I cap, N j cap, N k cap is equal to D. X dot product already we know how to do the dot product. Lx plus Ly plus Lz equal to D. This is the Cartesian equation. Cartesian form of a plane equation in normal form. L comma M comma N are the direction cosines of the normal to the plane, and D is the distance from origin to the plane. So this is the one important 5 marks question. Lot of time the last final exam. This is what we call normal form of a plane equation. Now we see the problems based upon that normal form plane equation in normal form. Based upon that one problems we discuss here. Example 13. Find the vector equation. No need to find the Cartesian equation, only vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 6 by root 29 from the origin. From origin to plane distance they given. Solution, we'll write first what they given. Given distance from origin to plane we can write as a D, that is 6 by root 29, and its normal vector from the origin. Normal vector from origin and normal vector. This is not unit vector, just normal vector. So that's why I am writing as a n bar is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. This is the normal vector. But for solving the equation, we have the formula r bar dot n cap equal to D. D already we know. N cap is the normal unit vector. So now you have to find here normal unit vector. Now normal unit vector is n cap. That is nothing but n bar by magnitude of n bar. N cap. This is the normal vector. Unit vector purpose n bar by magnitude of n bar we have to write. N cap is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by square root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. 2I cap plus 3j cap 4k cap divided by square root of 4 plus 9 13 plus 16 29. So this is the n cap. Now equation of plane in normal form is r bar dot n cap is equal to D. So r bar as it is divided dot product with n cap. What is the n cap? 2 by root 19 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 j cap is equal to D. What is the D here? 6 by root 29, which is the required plane equation. The distance from origin to plane they given and the normal vector if they given. So how to find the plane equation? R bar dot n cap is equal to d. Vector they given normal vector. So you have to find the unit normal vector n cap equal to n bar by magnitude of n cap n bar. So substitute in this one, d also substitute, that is the required vector equation of the plane in normal form. Next step, exercise 11.3, problem number 2. Same problem here, just the values different. Find the vector equation, only vector equation of a plane which is at distance is 7 units. Here what they given? Distance is 7 units from origin. Normal to the vector n bar they given and d they given. N bar and d they given. You have to find the n cap and substitute in this formula. So this one you can take as a homework. Now example 14. Find the direction cosines, that is nothing but DCs of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to this plane, we have to find the direction cosines passing through the origin also given. Solution, given plane, we can write as r bar dot 6 I cap minus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap equal to 1 I am writing. Positive 1 is there, if you are sending right side it will be negative 1, but distance positive. Distance positive, so that's why compulsory you have to take right side positive 1. Now I'll find the magnitude of this vector. Minus 2k cap magnitude e square root of 6 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 2 square. 36 plus 9 plus 4 root 49, that is 7. This one take as equation 1. Equation 1 divided with 7 on both sides. R bar dot 6 by 7 I cap minus 3 by 7 j cap minus 2 by 7 k cap 1 by 7. This represents the normal vector, perpendicular vector, that is nothing but normal vector equation of a plane. Here r bar dot n cap is equal to d. Here n cap is equal to 6 by 7 I cap so this is perpendicular, unit vector perpendicular to the plane. N cap is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane, otherwise the unit vector of a normal unit vector. Perpendicular means normal, so normal unit vector, that is nothing but unit vector perpendicular to this plane n cap. What are the direction cosines? Therefore DCs are just coefficients 6 by 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Simple problem this one. Magnitude of the vector you have to find, divided on both sides. This will show as a unit vector perpendicular to the plane. So that's why the coefficients will be the DCs. And the distance is 1 by 7. Similar way, in exercise also some problems is there. Determine the direction cosines of normal to the plane and distance from origin. Distance we have to find, direction cosines of the normal to the plane. So normal equation first we have to find. Solution here, first I will explain some problems. Some problems you can take as a homework also. A problem given z equal to 2. That means z 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z equal to 2. Right? So now magnitude I have to find. Square root of 0 square. 0 square plus 1 square is equal to root 1, that is 1. This one take as a equation 1. Equation 1 divided by 1 on both sides. So how much you get? 0 by 1 into x plus 0 by 1 into y plus 0 by 1 by 1. So that is equal to 2 by 1. So we can write this one as a 0x plus 0y plus z is equal to 2. So what are the coefficients here? This is a normal unit vector. This is a normal vector. So now direction cosines are 0, 0, 1 and distance d is equal to 2. So this is the way of finding the direction cosines and the distance. Here you observe 1, 1, 1 coefficient. Magnitude you find, then dividing on both sides with that vector, and right side compulsory positive you have to get, that is the distance. So now these two problems you can take as a homework. Now I will explain D problem. Problem number D. 5y is equal to 8. Why? Because distance compulsory positive. So that's why I am taking right side also positive. 0x plus 5y plus 0z is equal to 8. Square root of 0 square plus 5 square plus 0 square, that is 500. Take this one as a equation 1. Equation 1 divided with 5. 0 by 5, 5 by 5, 0 by 5, 8 by 5. So 0x 1y plus 0z equal to 8 by 5. Direction cosines are 0, 1, 0 and distance d is equal to 8 by 5. So this is the problem number D. First problem D1. Next B and C. Similar way we have to solve the two problems take as a homework. Now example 15. Find the distance of the plane from the origin. Find the distance of the plane from origin. So now plane equation given. So now convert this plane equation into normal form. Then you can find the easily d distance value. So given plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 6. So same to same here. First of all, you have to convert into direction cosine. These are 2 minus 3, 4 are direction ratios. So now you convert these direction ratios into direction cosines. Now you have to find the square root of 2 square plus of minus 3 square plus 4 square is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is root 29. Equation 1 divided with root 29, that is 2 by root 29x plus minus 3 by root 29y plus 4x by 4 by root 29z is equal to 6 by root 29. What is the Cartesian equation of a plane in normal form? This is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D. L, M, N are the direction cosines. These are the direction cosines, and D is equal to 6 by root 29. So this is the way of finding the distance when the plane is given. That plane convert into normal form first. Then normal form will convert it just the square root of coefficients. Sum of the square of coefficients dividing on both sides. That will become as a normal form of a plane equation. Then D is the distance. Next step, problem number 3 in exercise 11.3. Find the Cartesian equations of the following. These are the vector forms given. This vector form convert into Cartesian form. Already we discussed in the theorem also. Solution problem number 8 given. R bar dot I cap plus J cap minus K cap equal to 2. We have R bar is a general position vector is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So now you can substitute here. Z k cap dot product with I cap plus j cap minus k cap equal to 2. Coefficients multiplication in our x into 1, x, y into 1, y, z into minus 1, minus z equal to 2. So this is only Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D, this form. This is a Cartesian form of a plane equation. So remaining two problems are B problem and C problem. Take as a homework. Just R bar substitution. Corresponding coefficients multiply. Here you can observe x into this value, y into this value, and z into this value. Just multiply and write. So these two problems take as a homework. Next step, one note point is there here. If D is the distance from origin and L, M, N are the direction cosines of the normal to the plane through the origin. That means this total they given as a normal form of a plane equation is there. The foot of the perpendicular from origin is from origin to the plane is LD, MD, ND. D is the distance, L, M, N are the direction cosines of normal plane. So now you have to find by using this note point problems is very easy. Shortcut method this is. So now, how to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane? Just the plane is there. This plane convert into normal plane. Normal form you have to convert first. Given 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 6. Minus 6 and right side equals 6. So now, I'll find the magnitude first. 2 square minus 3 square plus 4 square square root of 4 plus 9 plus 16 root 29 So now equation 1 dividing with root 29 2 by root 29x minus 3 by root 29y plus 4 by root 29z equal to 6 by root 29. This is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D. L is 2 by root 29 and that will have to write. Therefore, the foot of the perpendicular is LB, MB and ND. So just write here. L is 2 by 29 into 10 d 6 by root 29 comma minus 3 by root 29 into 6 by root 29 4 by root 29 into 6 by root 29 12 by 29 minus 18 by 29 24 by 29. This is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. Similar problems, find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the planes. This total take as a homework. So here, same 12 send that side. Next here 6 send that side. Here 0x, nothing is there, you have to take here compulsory 0x. This one no problem, this one 0x plus 5y plus 0z equal to minus 8 you take. Actually distance positive always are, but here point we are finding. Point may be negative or positive. Point contains negatives also, so that's why this problem I explain. Just compare explain 0x plus 5y plus 0z equal to minus 8. Just the distance writing time you have to take as a positive, but here point we are finding, so you take that as it is negative. So now square root of 0 square plus 5 square plus 0 square is 5. 0 by 5x plus 0 by 5 by 5 y plus 0 by 5 z 8 by 5. So how to find the values here? Here minus 8. LD 0. MD is 1 minus 8 by 5 0. N is 0. So this is the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane 5x plus 8. When point asking negative you can take, but distance asking. For example, this distance how much means we have to tell only 8 by 5. Just we have to tell distance is 8 by 5. But here point purpose you can take negative also. So remaining 3 problems take as a homework. By this problem we completed today class. In next class we will continue the another plane equation. Another plane equation will continue in next class. Thank you.